Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we have just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q3 Black Edition 40 TFSI engine with the Quattro S-Tronic automatic 4-wheel drive system. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre petrol engine you get 187 brake horsepower with 320 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in 7.1 seconds and onto a top speed of 137 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch Audi Sport 5 twin-arm alloy wheels finished in matte grey with a diamond cut finish, adding a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 530 litres of boot space, which is perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded, you get 1,525 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather, part cloth for maximum luxury and comfort, and speaking of comfort, you get a centre armrest with dual cup holders as well as rear air vents for the rear passengers. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-line leather multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your taste using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier. Thanks to the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you do like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.